Ah, shoot. You might have forgot about me out here. It's kind of cold again. It's nighttime. Anyways, my dog's out here for a little pee. I don't know how to get him back in. Anyways, Sammy. Get the sheep, boy. Get the sheep. Get him. Get it, boy. Anyways, got my fishing pole in case the pond fills up again. You gonna fall asleep right here? That's what I'm talking about. It's kind of cold. Anybody? Anybody? Hey, Dirk! Over here. Hey, pull my head off. I can't breathe. And here. Steve. By the Christmas tree. It's cold. Dirk. It's cold out. That's what I'm talking about. Can you see me? Can you see me here? Look at. Over here. Come on, I can't breathe. Huh? Uh-oh. There you go, buddy. Hold on. Where's the end going? Over here, right there. Over here. Down here. Right here. I can't breathe. Sorry. Look at. He's got his gas can. My gas can. Don't worry about my gas can. You got your present? You want to open your present? All right, let's go. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Anyways. Take my hat off. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Christmas. That's right. Got my Christmas tree. Look at it. Anyways. Let me sit here and wait for it. I can't open it. How am I going to open it? Anyways. Need help opening your present? Alright. Here you go. That's what I'm talking about. You got that side. Oh, shoot! Sorry, buddy. Anyways, I'll try that again. That's a lot better. Hold on like this. That's what I'm talking about. Hold on like this is better. Hold on like that. You should be okay. Still need help opening my present, though. Here's your present. Wait to see what I got. Ah, shoot. Now I can open it. I can open it, but here, I'll get it for you. Look it. Guess what? Look it. Look it, I got you. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Another arm. Shoot. Know what I'm saying? Got a new arm. Anyways. That's it. Shoot. Oh, sorry, buddy. Let's go. Shoot, people. Shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Shoot. Shoot. Yes, can. Close. Shoot. Got to unplug the lights, people. Darn it. Put it out there. Anyways. Shoot. Christmas tree. Christmas tree burnt down. Darn it.